Physical education is an integral part of the whole educational process which is designed for the optimum development of an individual, physically, mentally, emotionally, and socially, through total body movement, the performance of properly selected physical activities. Vision, mission, and philosophy of the City College of Calapan. Vision, Center of Inclusive Education in building discipline and good character for God and humanity. Mission, the pursuit of the vision of the City College of Calapan as an educational institution subscribing to the total development of the youth. The following are the mission statements of the City College of Calapan. A. To foster the intellectual, moral, social, and creative life of its students through quality, accessible, and affordable education. B. To provide for a general education that will develop the whole human personality and seek to create a cultural environment that will prepare him to be professionally competent for life. C. To foster awareness of the socio-economic situation, a commitment to its improvement, the development of civil and social responsibility and discipline. D. To provide training and experiences in the sciences and professions. E. To enhance the promotion of our cultural values and foster social awareness and responsiveness towards the upliftment of the youths of Calapan. Philosophy. We create possibilities for lifelong learning. The City College of Calapan is open for every kind of students, risk-free and quality. It's not only focusing on academics but also in other aspects of an individual. It seeks to develop the students to be a well-rounded individual. It aims to uplift local youths through cultural awareness and social responsiveness, emphasizes awareness of socio-economic issues and a commitment to its improvement. While providing practical trainings in various fields, it helps prepare the students for professional life by promoting cultural and competence and social responsibility.